Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the aspect ratio of Filmora. So this is actually quite a simple process. It's actually from the start menu. So what we simply have to do right here is open up our Windows button and write Filmora. Under share Filmora, I'm going to be opening it. And as you can see, once I do open it, it's checking for GPU and driver. It should bring us to the main page. So give it a moment. Okay, as you can see, it is initiating now, so it is almost done. So once we've opened up on this tab, simply change the aspect ratio. As you can see, here's a new project and open project. For the project that we're going to be opening, in order to change the aspect ratio, we have to come to this screen right here. And as you can see, we have widescreen, Instagram, portrait, standard, cinema. So what all these are, widescreen is the typical, as you can see, what we have on our monitor right here. This is what widescreen looks like. It's basically how you watch YouTube videos in full screen. One is Instagram, basically an Instagram post, how big that is. So 916 is a portrait. A portrait is like a portrait shot, like a photo. 43 is standard. It's like with the black bars on the side. And 21.9 is cinema. So cinema has the black bars on the bottom. That is that. So let's say I want to open a project in, let's do cinema. I press on new project, and as you can see, it is in cinema. So there it is. That is how to change aspect ratio in Filmora. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.